Welcome to part two, guys. It's the dictate tool with our multilingual English language learners. Give it a go. I hope you like it. Should be pretty easy. So, I am jumping back over into another screen. And here you can see that I already have it in Portuguese from the last time, right? Because we did a little translation. So I'm going to X this one out and then I'm going to go back into the microphone. Now, mind you, when I touch the microphone, it just means to speak. So actually, let me come over to the gear and make sure we have the language set. So I changed the spoken language that I'm going to speak in now to Portuguese. I can change this to Spanish to reach our students. I can change this to whatever language of the students or learners we have in our audience. Okay, so let's sit back and let's see what happens now. Uma vez que eu começar a falar, ele vai pegar tudo. Então, se você não quiser que ele digite enquanto você está enviando mensagens de texto, você deve bater o microfone novamente. Okay, so let's pretend that we've done this for our students, right? I'm going to come down a little bit. I'm going to take this yet again. All I did was repeat the same thing, kind of, because I didn't know what else to say. I could have said something different. I'm going to take this and translate it. Remember, that's what you could do for your students. Translate just the selection. And now it's going to recognize that it is Portuguese. Okay, recognize it, says it's detected. And I'm going to change it into English. I can even change it to another language if you want to be able to communicate something at home or you're having a parent teacher conference or you wanted to go back. So I'm just going to choose one. And I could have said English, but let's just put it into Spanish also, right? Doesn't matter. Okay. There it is. Here it is. Okay. Una vez que empiezo a hablar, él lo recogerá todo, así que si no quieres que escriba mientras estás enviando mensajes de texto, deberías presionar el micrófono nuevamente. Okay, so basically all it is saying is stop the microphone if you don't want it to continue talking while you're going. And that is it. I'm going to scroll back up to English to make sure that we've got it all done correctly, and we should be good, guys. All right, I wish there were a shortcut. There it is. Type in E, and bam. Right? Use the dictate tool. Let me know how it goes. Bye.